So this is Jeff Mucci at the Mimotech booth at 2013 CTI event, and we've got Jeff and Bucks. And Jeff, I'd like for you to maybe share with me a little background on Mimotech as a company, and then Bucks will have you go into detail about what you're showcasing.
Hi there, Jeff. Yeah, we at Mimotech, we began around 2012 to develop ultra-high capacity backhaul radios. What we're really focusing on is spatial techniques, MIMO, XPIC, and what we have behind us is a new generation of microwave radios that I'd like my colleague Bucks to talk about. So I'm going to hand over to him for a second.
Okay, before we get into detail, you talk about you started in 2012. Are you venture capital backed? Are you a public company? What's the background?
It's venture capital backed at this stage.
Yeah,
and hoping to get into product sales and be self-funding in a year or so.
Okay, well, Bugs, take it away. Let's talk about this contraption behind you.
Thank you. Yes, what we have over here is the Starburst MIMO Radio, which is what we believe is going to set a new dimension and a new paradigm in microwave. It is a radio with extremely high efficiency. It uses one single frequency to transmit 4 channels, each 8 channels, 2 channels per antenna, and in up to 2 gigabits of data plus of it. It is very new. There's no such a product as we are aware of currently on the market. And in the era of LTE for the last mile backhaul and fiber extension, we believe that this product is going to set a new dimension in microwave backhaul.
Okay, maybe if I could get you to turn over here and maybe walk us through each of the elements of the system and confirm, is it line of sight or non-line of sight, and maybe talk a little bit about where you see the deployments, North America or international.
Yeah. The product, what makes it unique, it is a MIMO product. Normal MIMO is always non-line of sight, but what makes it unique, this is a line of sight MIMO product. And it has got a fixed, the antennas are fixed on a certain dimension. We've got a patented invention which allows us to do that basically. What you see here is the 4 MIMO channels. We're using 2 types of antennas, which is optional, lens antennas, as well as parabolic antennas. The system consists of a central processing unit, and all of the RF and microwave stuff is actually situated in the arms that there is. So in changing frequencies, the central unit still is the same, and it's only replacing the arms for different frequencies that is required for different bands in it. Our market, we believe, this system is at 24 gig. This is our launch product. The market is mainly the US for the initial product, but I think as LTE is proliferating all over the world, this product will be sold in the United States as well as Europe and in Africa as well.
And again, what's the capacity?
The capacity for the 8x8 is in excess, is up to 4 gigabit. And for the 4x4 MIMO, about 2 gigabits per second of capacity. It's available in FDD as well as in TDD mode.
Jeff, Bucks, thanks for your time today. I really appreciate it.
Thanks, Jeff. Much appreciated.